Hello, today we'll be talking about using RDM in a Cobalt system. Today's setup is a Cobalt 20 connected via network to a DMX RDM gateway, running to a Studio Daylight fixture, Smart Bar 2, and a Source 4 LED Luster Plus. Let's exit to System Settings so that we can configure our gateway using Net3 Concert. Concert is located on the Utilities tab. The quickest way to find your network devices is to use the network map in Concert. When you see that the synchronization icon has turned green, you can double-click on the gateway to modify its parameters. Here, we're using port 2 as our output port, so click on port 2, and then to enable RDM, click the disabled box to toggle it to enabled, then apply changes. You will notice that the Unlinked Devices section in Discovered Devices shows any RDM devices that have been discovered. To see these on your network map, go to File and choose Network Map again. This will reload your network map. You can discard the current configuration. You can also enable RDM directly at the gateway. To do so, press the center button until you're at the port that you wish to see. In this case, port 2. Press and hold the button for 5 seconds to enable RDM. When discovery is enabled, you will see the number of devices discovered on that port. Now that we've enabled RDM on our gateway, we need to look at enabling RDM on our console. If we're using a network system such as our gateway, we need to go to the Network tab and enable ACN to receive RDM feedback. Once we've enabled ACN, click OK in System Settings. Once we've clicked OK in System Settings, click Start Server to relaunch Cobalt. We're going to resume from our last play. To do that, click Resume or press Modify. Cobalt supports RDM via the onboard DMX ports as well as the network. To set up the onboard DMX ports, go to General Settings, then to DMX Settings. Check the RDM checkbox to enable RDM. You may enable it on both ports, one port, or you may leave it off. To enable RDM discovery from our network, we need to go to Console Settings and check the RDM Discovery Enabled checkbox. With RDM Discovery enabled, an indicator will appear at the top of the screen indicating the number of RDM devices discovered. The blinking asterisk indicates RDM traffic on the line.